This is these two scales.
Come see me.
Lowers the arm and shit.
Come on, pretty boy.
The one over there, but the one over there.
Pretty boy.
Then you have to lower the arm down.
What is her problem?
Likes Cuddle.
That red
Likes Cuddle, I guess.
That in there. At first it was empty. Then I came
pretty
around,
girl.
It's cold.
stepped on it, lowered it down.
Aww. Ouch. Easy. Oh, oh, oh. No poke in the eyes. That's a point away. Aw, beautiful bird. Even though you asshole. Hello.
Then I came back.
Bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye, birdie.
There's that one scale over there, but I don't see.
That's another set of
Ouch.
arms. Look, go back to the
Striking again.
All right, look.
Well, these two already.
Mean
All right,
bitch.
turn around. That's some over there.
Yeah, you.
Look over there.
Looking, I'm talking to
Right
you.
there. Right there, right there.
Yeah. Talking back, huh? Under your breath, always mumbling.
You don't think nothing on the
Ow.
other side the same way because you just looking at one side.
What's wrong?
Another side got
She
another
plucked your
thing.
tail feather
You
there?
bring it to another side over there.
Oh, she's all up in your back. Watch out. Ready to attack. Uh-oh. Easy. Yeah, mumbling again, always under your breath.
She does too.
Hey.
Yeah, that's right. You show her. Where'd she go?
I see you. Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss?
Look, if you put that whip
Please.
out in there too, that mouth, you turn with that mouth.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Your beak got caught. Give me a kiss.